Well, how about that? Illinois Central and Canadian National booking through Columbus, Ohio. Now this train is probably all potash. That's just based on the hunch I've got. But the locomotives are pretty neat. Yeah. That was POTX for a car identifier. Potash Corp. So this is your fertilizer special train. Boy, that's a heavy product too. Look how condensed the springs are, how compressed. The only thing that would top this off is if this train had a caboose, but those days are gone. Gone like a freight train. Bang, bang.